Hello, lollipops, it's me again, your lollipop girl, Almacinas, and yes, it is. It's vlog day again. Kaya mga lollipops, samahan niyo ako to do this vlog. Yes, for today's video, lollipops, we're going to do the Kikay makeup trend sa Black Up. Yes, lollipops, kung napanood niyo na yun, syempre gagawin natin yung makeup na yun, di ba? Kaya naman, samahan niyo ako in 3, 2, 1, let's start!
Let's go.
So of course, lollipops, first things first, I just wanted to remind you that this is not a paid promotion, so I will just use the things or the makeup that I have. So yes, and of course, lollipops, after you watch this video, please follow me for more. Yes, and of course, please do like, comment, and share this video para hindi lang ikaw ang makapanood. Diba? Sharing is caring. So, yun mga lollipops, yun mga lollipops. So to start, of course, we're going to start with the primer. So I'm always using this Hada Labo Moisturizer. So lollipops, to start this makeup trend, the Kikay makeup trend, of course, we're going to put some moisturizer. And I'm using this Hada Labo Moisturizer. So of course, we need to put some amount. Right, a small amount rather. And let's put it into my face. All over my face, yes. Primer. Moisturizer rather. Okay, lollipops, after putting moisturizer, after 3 minutes, nilalagay tayo ng sunscreen. And I'm using this Borado sunscreen. All over our face again. Sunscreen is very important, lollipops. Kahit hindi ka lalabas ng bahay, this is to protect your skin. So yes, lollipops, after maglagay ng sunscreen or primer, lalagay tayo ng, pantago ng pimples and dark spots. And we're gonna use concealer. Of course, kukuha tayo ng concealer na suits sa ating skin tone. And then lalagyan lang natin ng ating dark spots and or pimples. And also here under eye. Yeah, lalagay tayo dyan. And sa ating mga pimple marks and dark spot. Yes. And blend lang natin siya. Blend. Ayan, lollipops. After maglagay ng concealer, maglagay tayo ng foundation. Yes. And I'm going to use this Dynamic Duo from Front Row. Yes. So, ayan, naglalagay lang tayo ng hindi naman sobrang kapal. Konti lang. And i-blend lang natin siya using our sponge. Or pwede naman yung tip ng hand or yung finger mo natin. So, ayan, blend lang natin siya. Ayan, lollipops, after makalagay ng foundation, pag na-blend natin siya sa face, isa-set natin siya ng powder. Ayan, set natin ng powder. T-zone from the forehead, nose, and chin. And also, actually, yung kailangan lang is basta. So yan, lollipops, after maset ng powder, next thing is magpaganda ng mukha, of course, the blush on, So for the blush on, I'm going to use this Jaclyn Hill palette, and we'll just use a light pink color. It's either light or any shade of pink. Yes, pwede siyang gamitin. So what am I going to do is just smile para makita mo yung apples ng cheeks mo. And yes, doon mo lang siya ilalagay. So yes, let's use this one. And yes, after maglagay ng blush ng lollipops, pwede kang maglagay ng bronzer para mas ma-define mo yung cheeks mo. So yes, you can use this light shade of brown and then for contour or bronzer. Lagay ka na din sa may gilid ng noo at sa may baba. So also, maglagay ka na din ng contour kung mababa yung ilong mo. Nose line rather. Maglagay ka na din ng nose line kapag mababa yung ilong mo. At talaga mababa yung ilong ko, so maglalagay tayo ng nose line. So yes, after maglagay ng bronzer at or contour and nose line, of course, yan, nakalagay na tayo. So ngayon, mag-focus na tayo sa ating mata. So first thing we need to fix our eyebrow. So eyebrow muna tayo. So kailangan natin siyang i-define. Yeah, let's define our eyebrow. Using this eyebrow pencil, of course. Okay, after dito sa sign, dito naman sa kabila. Okay, done with our killing lollipops. Define na siya. So next thing will be our eyeshadow lollipops. So we're going to use again this Jaclyn Hill palette. So Yan. Pipili lang tayo ng light shade muna. So for our eyeshadow lollipops, first we need to put lighter shade, like beige or light brown. So, yeah. Let's put this first. Para sa base. Ayan, after ng light shade lollipops, lalagay tayo ng dark shade of pink sa outer corner para magbigay ng konting depth. Yun, lalim no. So, yeah. Let's use this. And yes, almost after natin mag-eyeshadow, syempre maglalagay tayo ng eyeliner. Yes, lollipops. This one. Okay. Ayan, lollipops. After natin maglagay ng eyeliner, of course, maglalagay tayo ng mascara or false eyelashes. As for me, I'm going to put some mascara. Yes. So first, we're going to curl our lashes first. So, yeah. And the other side. And yes, after curling our eyelashes, lalagay tayo ng mascara. Mascara baby. So, ayan. For the mascara naman tayo. So ito lollipops, ito na. So nakalagay na ako ng mascara. Nilagyan ko din yung lower eyelashes para mas, mas buhay tingnan yung ating mata. And then after that, we'll proceed with our lipstick. So para mas mukhang pikay talaga tayo, I'm gonna use this color pink shade of Vice Cosmetics. Yes. So yeah, let's put some lipstick on. So here it is, lollipops. Nakapaglagay na ako ng lipstick. So now, for the final touch, gagawin tayo ng highlighter, of course. So yeah, gagawin tayo ng highlighter sa ating upper cheeks. Dito sa may kilay. Sa ating lips, upper lip. Sa ating nose. Para mas ma-define yung ating nose. Nose line. Sa ating, hindi tayo ng konti sa ating eyeshadow. Yeah. And then for the final touch, okay, let's set it with setting spray. And yes, lollipops, okay na tayo sa ating makeup. So I'll be back for the final look. And here's the final look, lollipops. Kita na ba? Of course, lollipops, syempre, thank you so much kung nakaabot ka sa point ng video nito. So, lollipops, I want to say thank you so much for watching. But of course, please follow me for more videos. And yes, please do like, comment, and share this video para hindi lang ikaw makapanood, diba? Sharing is caring, remember. So yes, that would be all, lollipops. Thank you so much and see you again.